Hi students, let's look at this question here, which is to evaluate the integral of 1 plus cosine x. This is a very typical question. This is actually what we've gone through in class also. It's actually my notes. What you need to do is actually just write down, we need to use cosine 2x equals to 2 cosine square x minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sine square x. Now this double angle is important because this is where the 1 comes in, right? You have 1 minus and minus 1 on 2. Cos 2x has got 3 equations, which is very, very powerful in the sense to help us to reduce. If you want to get rid of this one, obviously you need to use the first equation here. So I'm going to use this as double angle. So this is 1 plus, get rid of, this is 2 cosine square x over 2. Because if this is x, this will be x over 2 minus 1 dx, right? So once this is done, what you're going to get is actually just going to get 1 minus 1. So this is 2 cosine square x over 2, 1 dx. This will just be half, and secant square half x dx. Okay, so once this is done, half, just put tangent, half x and divide by half plus c. And this will just give us tangent half x plus c. Okay, so this is how we do this question here proficiently. Any question or comments, please do let us know, and I will see you in the next question.